This is the Aula F75 Budget Creamy Keyboard. Of all my keyboards, this is my favorite. It's a 75% keyboard with a knob to adjust the lighting. This has a gasket mounted structure which allows you to have a bouncy and soft typing experience. For more connectivity, you can run wired, Bluetooth, or 2.4 dongle. You can press on this knob and cycle through all the different options of RGB. This keyboard comes with many different options for you to go through, so go ahead and play around with it and pick the one you like. You use the function key along with tab to cycle through all the different colors, and you can use the knob as well to lower the brightness or increase the brightness. The price point, there's no other keyboard that can compare, and the reverse switch is amazing. If I were you, I'd hurry up and check this out before they sell out.